181 buyers gave it 5 stars. But 99 buyers hated it so much, they gave just 1 star. Today, we find out why this Pixel 8a splits opinion, and whether it actually fixes the issues buyers care about most. Here's what real buyer sentiment looks like. 34.7%, that's 181 reviews, are highly positive. 20.5% are positive. 13.4% are neutral. 12.5% are negative. And 19% are highly negative. 1. Battery life and charging. Let's start with battery life and charging. Many users say the battery drains quickly. Charging speed is too slow. Over 31.5% of reviews, that's the 1 and 2 star group, complain about this. The Pixel 8a has a 4492 mAh battery. With a 120Hz OLED screen and the Tensor G3 chip, it's decent for casual use, but not enough for marathon users. Charging? 18-watt wired, 7.5-watt wireless. That's slow compared to competitors. Verdict? Not great for heavy users. 2. Heating issues. Next, heating. Many buyers say the phone gets hot during gaming, 4K recording, or charging. These complaints show up in 19% of negative reviews, and also in the neutral category. The Tensor G3 runs cooler than the G2, but still warms up under load. And the aluminum frame makes you feel it faster. Verdict? Fine for light use, but gamers, be warned. 3. Performance and lag. Some buyers face lag, touch glitches, and fingerprint sensor issues. Most of these are in the 2-star reviews. Specs tell a different story. 8 gigs of RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, and Tensor G3 mean smooth daily performance. Plus you get AI features like circle to search. But the under-display optical fingerprint sensor can be less reliable, especially with wet fingers. Verdict: performance is great, but the fingerprint sensor can frustrate. 4. Camera quality. Now the camera. Here's where buyers are split. In 5-star reviews, people love it. In neutral reviews, they point out limitations. You get a 64-megapixel main camera with OIS and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide. Photos look sharp and vibrant, thanks to Google's processing. But there's no telephoto lens, so zoom detail isn't the best. Verdict: excellent for still photos, average for zoom. 5. Value for money. Some buyers call it a waste of money. That's mostly in the 19% negative group. At about $218, you do get 7 years of Android updates. That's rare, but slow charging and average battery pull down the value for heavy users. Verdict: great if you value software updates, not if you need battery stamina. 6. Network and durability. Network reception is another mixed bag. Some buyers report drops. On paper, it's solid. You get 5G, Wi-Fi 6E Nav-IC, but real performance varies by region. Build quality is good. IP67 water resistance is excellent. Gorilla Glass 3 protects the screen, but it scratches easier than newer glass. Verdict: durable, but protect the screen, and test your signal before buying. Over half of buyers, 55.2%, are happy with the Pixel 8a, but nearly 1 in 3 had a poor experience. If you want Google's camera magic, long software support, and clean Android, you'll love it. If battery life, charging speed, or gaming heat are deal breakers, this phone won't fix those for you.